We're gonna teach you on how to cook brisket burrito with shredded cheese. To all my members, you need to put all the brisket in the frying pan and then cook it. Put it on medium. And it has to be on this side. To avoid the harsh burn, put the tortilla in a frying pan and put it low. Last ingredient, add some shredded cheese onto the burrito. The most delicious thing I've ever cooked. Well, not exactly. The brisket wasn't exactly me. But the brisket burrito, my idea. So, remember to always comment, like, comment, and subscribe.